The chain drive kind of mocked up here. There's still some alignment problems and size problems with the size of the chains and things of that sort. I also really don't have a very good mounting setup here. Down at the bottom is basically right now it's just a I just put a screw there, and then I'm just using this board here as a lever to tighten everything. Now let's take a look at the meter here. Okay, so you see that if I just kind of move this with my hand, I can get 3-4 volts there. And now that I have the chain set up, let's see how far we got. And part of this is that you can see kind of how different this generator is from most of the ones you see people using. As I turn the crank here, one turn here means that the center of this wheel turns 27 times, and we are already up to 4 volts even with just a slight turn here. Now the thing about this generator is that as I don't have to start cranking really hard. I just kind of just take a slow pace here and wait until the momentum builds on the wheel itself. And the wheel, because it's a flywheel, it takes the force and stores it into centrifugal force and spins a little bit faster with each turn. And now we're up to, I believe that even with these 2 coils that I've tested, the most I can get out of them was 4 volts, but with this type of speed now on this wheel, speeds I could never get up to was just pushing this by my hand, and these 2 coils can get up to 9 volts, 10. I have no doubt that 11, 12 volts, and even with that 12 volts, you can see that I'm not really putting any effort. And this is quite a bit different from sitting on a bicycle and pedaling your heart out and still only getting the same amount of juice. And that's because of the differences here. And another thing is, this is, even though I'm using chain drive, this is much quieter than you would expect. And with just 2 coils, we have 12 volts. And now all I have to do is put on another 34 coils. And with 34 coils, they should be no problem getting up to the 36 volts that I want. But the voltage is not such a big deal. What I really want to have is the current, because the current is what's going to charge batteries. So getting this up to 36 volts and about 3 amps, 5 amps is the goal. And so far I think we're getting there.